Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data science application using More and DL techniques.
Part 10.
I'm creating factorial of n number. See now? Now I'm writing hash, write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number. Factorial of a given number. So same thing I'm writing in scripting way. That's why it is called a scripting way. Int of input of enter value of n. Okay. Then fact is equal to same program 1. Then for I in range, parentheses begin 1, n plus 1. Okay, so now use one tab space, then perform fact is equal to fact into I. Then use a print statement. Okay, same thing. Factorial is equal to double quotes equal to fact dot py. Okay, so now I'm saying here output variable just fact. You can keep fact. Now Control S. Now I'm executing this program. See now, Python space dkif.py. It is asking enter value of n. I'm giving 5. See now the output. Same thing I got it in scripting way. Any doubts? It is very easy to Python programming. Now I'm moving to concepts. Sir, is it clear? Any doubts, my dear participants?
Sir, you can, they can ask question. I think that this is the right time. So if anybody has a question, just write in the message box.
Chat box. If you have any queries, you can write in the chat box. I'm moving towards another subject, machine learning and deep learning. Please, there is no time. That's why I'm explaining next concept. Okay. So you can use n number of libraries in the Python, and we can do now programs in machine learning and deep learning, how to use on health data analytics. I'm going to show you. Yeah.
There are a few questions from Anil Kumar. Yeah, please, Anil Kumar, ask the question.
Yeah, please, please, Anil Kumar.
You can mute Anil and you can ask the question.
Yeah, please. Questions are always welcome.
Yeah, Dr. Murli Krishna asks, other than www.kaggle.com, is there any source to get the data sets?
Yes. We can download the data sets from Kaggle. It is obvious, and GitHub. GitHub you can download, and one more repository called UCI. Please write down www.uci.com. It is one more famous worldwide repository, and Google database and Microsoft database and GitHub database. Please write down. You can download various data sets from other resources, repositories. Okay. So now that's all. Any other queries?
Just a second, sir. There is one question from Saksham is asking to show the code again. Saksham, this is getting recorded at FB as well, and we are recording it as well. So if you are in the group, you can find the recording in the group, and also can visit this web, the Facebook page of Dr. Kalam International Foundation, and you can go through that. Yes,
Now
sir.
it is
We can
streaming,
go.
sir. Now your
Yeah, we can
Facebook
go.
and YouTube streaming is ongoing, sir.
Yes, sir. Every is ongoing, and YouTube will upload it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now I'm moving to data science. So data science essential things I have explained already: linear algebra, calculus, statistics like descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. These are the essential mathematics skills for data science. You need to have statistics and probability, multivariable calculus, linear algebra, optimization methods. So fourth module I'm going to explain now. I'm skipping the theory part. I'm going to demonstrate only practical part. So these things, linear regression, first model I'm going to execute. I think everybody knows linear regression. Why we are using linear regression? So it is a model relationship between dependent variable and one independent variable. In order to predict the value, we are using linear regression. The formula is y is equal to mx plus c, and x is explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable. Slope, I think everybody knows. This is the linear regression. We are generating the graph like this. Okay. So this is the algorithm steps I'm using, and this is the code linear regression. Now I'm going to execute in Python. Please see, I'm going to show you practicals. So CLS, clear screen. So first I'll show you notepad space linear.py. I have executed this program. See here. Okay. So I'm writing a program A, write a Python program, write a Python program to perform linear regression. So once save, then you can close this one and execute Python space linear.py. See, now I'm executing a linear regression program. It is a mathematical technique. My screen is visible. See, I have generated graph by using linear regression formula. I'm going to explain the program. Now see, I have predicted responses 8.33, 13.73 because I have taken X value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. After reshaping NumPy, I'm using NumPy as a library. I have installed. Already I have installed. Okay. And the latest version, it is coming with NumPy software. Then coefficient of determination 0.71, intercept value is 5.63, and slope 0.54, predicted responses. So same way I'm going to execute one more program called non-linear regression. Now see, this is the code. Import NumPy as NP from sklearn. I'm using the sklearn library, and import matplotlib. To generate the graph, I'm using matplotlib. Without reshape, I'm taking X value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Print before reshaping NumPy array. Then I'm reshaping with the rows becomes columns, columns becomes rows. Then after reshaping NumPy, then just I'm selecting the model equal to linear regression, model.fit of x comma y values. So mean square error I'm calculating, model.square. Whenever you are using sklearn, this model automatically we are using linear regression model. That's why Python won't take much code. It is very small code in order to execute any applications very easily with less code, with great efficiency of application. Then mean square error, we are calculating model.score of x comma y, print coefficient of determination, print intercept value, print slope value, and y predicted value. We are plotting the graph, model.predict x, print predicted responses, then PLT, matplotlib. I have used the library called matplotlib, PLT dot plot of x comma y, PLT dot show.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.